the common mistakes people make when eating oats. Oats, a powerhouse of nutrition, are a breakfast staple for many, packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They're a fantastic source of fiber, aiding digestion and heart health. Yet, not all oatmeal bowls are created equally. There are pitfalls in preparing oats that can significantly undercut their nutritional value. So even with the best intentions, the first mistake is using full benefits of this wholesome grain. You might ask. Let's delve into these common mistakes. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of it. Instant oats, while undeniably convenient for our fast-paced lives, come with a hidden cost. They are usually heavily processed. This processing strips away much of the beneficial fiber that makes oats such a powerhouse breakfast choice. But that's not all. Instant oats often contain added sugars and artificial sneaky little additions that can wreak havoc on your health goals. These extras not only add unnecessary calories, but can also lead to a faster rise in your blood sugar levels. That's a far cry from the slow, steady energy release you'd get from less processed varieties. So what's the solution? It's simple. Always opt for whole or steel-cut oats. They might take a bit longer to cook, but they retain all the natural goodness of oats, setting you up for a healthier start to your day. The second mistake is overloading on sweeteners. Always opt for whole or steel-cut oats for maximum
adding a
benefits.
spoonful or two of sugar or honey to your oats isn't such a big deal.
But here's the catch. It can quickly turn your healthy breakfast choice into a calorie-laden dessert. Sweetening your oats excessively not only piles on unnecessary calories, but also it can lead to spikes in your blood sugar levels. This is particularly harmful if you're trying to manage your weight or if you have conditions like diabetes. Moreover, it's a pitfall that could put you on the fast track to issues like insulin resistance and obesity. So what should you do? Well, the key is moderation. Instead of reaching for that sugar jar, try using natural sweeteners. Fresh fruits like berries or bananas can add the perfect touch of sweetness to your oats. Or if you must, use a small amount of honey. It's all about balance after all. Remember, the key is moderation. Try using natural sweeteners like fruits or a small amount of honey. The third mistake is skipping the protein. But why is protein so important? Well, here's the scoop. While oats are a veritable powerhouse of fiber, they don't quite cut it when it comes to protein. This might seem like a minor oversight, but protein plays a crucial role in keeping us satisfied and promoting muscle health. You see, protein takes longer to break down in our bodies, which means it keeps those hunger pangs at bay for longer. Not to mention, it's essential for repairing and building muscle tissue. So, if you're not adding a protein source to your oats, you might find yourself reaching for a snack sooner than you'd like. But don't worry, it's an easy fix. Consider adding a scoop of protein powder, nuts, seeds, or Greek yogurt to your oat. These additions not only ramp up the protein content, but also add a delightful crunch or creaminess to your breakfast. So don't skip on the protein, folks. Let's quickly recap the common mistakes when eating oats. Firstly, using instant oats. They're often stripped of their nutritional value, so always opt for whole oats. Secondly, overloading on sweeteners. This not only negates the health benefits, but also spikes your sugar levels. Lastly, skipping the protein. By adding protein, you're not just enhancing the flavor, but also making your meal more filling. So avoid these pitfalls to keep your oatmeal nutritious. Remember, the way you prepare your oats can make a significant difference.